Hey lovely people, welcome back once again to another episode of Stitches Biz collection. I'm Miss Stitches. Today in this video I'm going to share with you how to fix or attach your tassels to your beaded bags. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. Let's get started. Materials needed. So I have my bag already done. I have a video of how to make this whole bag from start to finish. I'll drop that below so you can watch and know how we made this bag. So I'm going to attach the tassels around this bag here and in between the handles as well. So stay cool and let's go on to attach our tassels to our bag and let's see the transformation of this beautiful bag. So I already have my tassels done. So I made this 300, but you can increase it if you want it big. You can make it 400 or 500 if you want it bulky. But my client prefers the thickness like this, so I made it exactly the way she wants it. So I have 24 of the tassels here. We are going to fix them in between the beads at the top side. And I already have my fishline fixed in the needle, and I'm using 0.50 mm because that one is light for me to use in sewing the tassels or in attaching the tassels. So I'm going to pass it through the beads to lock it up so it comes out from the top side. So I want it to come out from this side, any of this side. So I'm going to pass it through and I'm going to do that off camera. Yeah, so after this is what you have. So I passed it through to secure it so it doesn't remove or I don't do a cos 90 work. So we're going to start from this side. I have my needle. So you pick your tassels or tassel. You pick your tassel and then you insert your needle through this hole here. This top side, you insert your needle, pull it out from the other end so you have it like this. Then with your needle you go through the next bead here, you go through the next bead, you pull it out, then please pull it out very well, very tight, so you have the first one fixed. This is a simple method but very tricky. So you pick the second one, go through the same hole at the top, you insert your needle, pull it out from the other end, and then you go through the next bead with your needle, pull it out and let it stay in between the beads. Please make sure you pull it very tight for it to be stable in between the beads. Going on, you pick another tassel, insert your needle in the hole, pull it out, and then with your needle you go through this bead here, the next bead, pull it out. Make sure you are tightening it because it needs to stay firm in between the beads. And then you go on with the same method, pull it out, then you go through this bead here, you pull it out, then you have it fixed in between the beads. So you are going to weave on to this side, and then when we get to the handle I'll show you how to fix your tassels in between the handle part. So with the same method you fix it to this end. So we have it now, and I use the same method for it because we still have it in between the beads. So on this side we're going to fix it here. So still with my fish line, you pick one tassels, insert your needle, you pull it out, then with your fish line you go through this next bead here, you go through the next bead, you pull it out. So with this side, you need to pull it very well because you want the head of the tassels to enter into the hole. Because of the handle you fixed, it seems the space there is a little closed, so you need to pull it very well so it enters. So I'm going to use the same method throughout the other sides. So you have it like this. I'm going to weave on to this end with the same method. So now you have the tricks of how to fix your tassels both at the handle side and then where there's no handle. So this is what we have after fixing our tassels all over the bag. And we are not done yet, but the bag is already shining. So you pass your fishline through to secure this part of the work. So this is what I have after passing my fishline through. And we have our tassels out. So we are going to shape it. I always advise that you fix your tassels before you shape it out, so you know the exact length you are cutting off. Yeah, so I'm going to shape it, and I'm going to do that camera. So watch where the length is and watch the after shaping the tassels. So this first step is going to be the line for me to shape. So that's the line I'm using. So we have it done, and as you can see, this is the exact length that I was going in for, and I have that, and my tassels is given. It's given. The tassels is tasseling. Yeah, so you can just fix in your drawstring bag, and it's the same color because I want everything to be matching. You pull it out, and then you have your tassel bag nicely made out. So you can make this in any color of your choice, suitable for your weddings. Please give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more and more of my tutorials. Make sure to comment and share as well. Stay safe. See you in my next video. Have a nice day and bye.